Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're watching Shadow Artistempire and I'm Chavi here. Before beginning my video, subscribe to my channel. This is the portrait series and it's all about eyes. So I was just trying to make a random portrait and I realized that I'm getting worse on freehand drawing. So I thought why not start doing freehand drawing only rather than making graphs. The first drawing I made for portrait series was Krishna drawing, and the second was of Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. So in this, for the sketching, I'm only using Artline pencils, and these are easily available in the market. I'll keep the link in the description box. And I recommend you this because these are the best. These are very soft, these are very dark, and you also get 10B and 8B in them. And I've used 2B, 4B and 8B only for eyes. And for merging I have used cotton buds and electric eraser for the white dot. You get different expressions here, like first one I made was of a normal woman, and second pair of eyes are like sharp details you get and like cunning woman type thing. I don't know. These pair are of baby eyes, like a 1 year baby or something. I made 5 pair of eyes and 3 single eyes, like different shape, different size and different direction. These eyes were supposed to put in the starting of the portrait series, but I messed up. So after this I'll be putting like nose, lips and ears. And this is also baby eyes, and this is like 6-month baby. They have big eyes and all. And these last pair of eyes are of a man, like he's so confused and sad, like that type of expressions he has. And this last one I made just for practice, and as you can see I didn't do a lot of things here, and this is the final outcome. I hope you would like this video. If you like this video, turn that great thumbs up button blue, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.